and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make molokhia powder from molokhia leaves. This is for people, the one that can't find the powder, and just really trust me, I looked. It's so hard to find it, especially if you don't live in Tunis. So this one I stepped forward a little bit. I bought them as leaves, and then I put them in a food processor. I made sure I cleaned them, no rocks or anything extra in it. So the food processor will make them look like that. Plus you can crush them with your hand a little bit. You need the coffee grinder over here. We're gonna do them twice. You're gonna see that I did them once, but actually I did them twice. And you need very thin, the one you're gonna put it through, this sifter. You need it very, very thin, like so it doesn't go to mix it like really powder like. So we're just gonna go through the process. So this is the first time. So this is the easy way, like I said. If you can't find it in the store, and especially in Tunisian or Morocco stores, those are the one they have the molokhia powder. And if you can't find it, this is the best way to do it. I know it takes time, but it does makes a difference when you do it at home. It tastes really, really good. So you're just gonna keep doing that. But if you can't find the one I have, the thin sifter, you can use like, I don't want to say socks. It's not a socks, but stockings, clean stockings. They're very thin. The stockings, the one grandma wears, or those. You can use those. Make them tight, and you can use that if you want. I know it sounds funny, but it works. You gotta do what you gotta do. Um, so like I said, in the beginning, just oh, you see how the powder it's like flying? Make sure you put a mask on, because it will make you cough. Or the dust like that from the molokhia will make you cough. So make sure you have a mask on. So like I say, when you buy it, you're gonna the package probably is gonna come from Egypt or from Lebanon. See, so make sure clean it, because mostly sometimes you find rocks in it, and you find a little I don't know, some extra stuff in it. I find so many stuff. Make sure you go through it, take your time, look through it, and then when you see everything is ready, just crush it with your hand, and then put it in through the processor. You see how this is the first step? It become a powder ready, but you're gonna go through like that, and you're gonna find little tiny thing. You're gonna see in the end that I did find little tiny stuff in it. So that's why I was asking if you can use the very, very thin one. See, I'm showing you it's very thin. So just keep doing like that until like you don't have any more, but you still have a little bit left. It's okay, just throw it away. Don't keep doing it. See over here, I'm just showing you up close how thin it is. So only the powder will go down. See that one? Just throw it away. Just don't do it. See, this step, you gotta do it again. You see how it's powder now? It looks okay to you? No, for you, you have to do it again, because when you cook it, it's not gonna be really, really powder. Like you're gonna feel little things to it. So do it one more time, and that's it. And this is it. You see the powder? And then for you to tell the good molokhia, that you're gonna see in the end the picture with the light, it's dark green. That's how you tell it's good molokhia. Molokhia has to be really dark green. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will see you next video, and good luck. Bye bye.